In this video, we will use a pocket operation. Select Toolpaths, Pocket. When the chaining dialog box appears, select the window chaining option. From here, create a window around the letters and the inner ellipse as shown. Make sure that the window is big enough to include the inside ellipse completed, but avoid the outside ellipse. Now pick an approximate starting point near the bottom of the letter M. Choose the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. On the Toolpath Type page, the pocket will be picked. From the Tree View list, select Tool. We will now choose a 1/8 flat end mill from the library and set the tool parameters. That being said, click on the Select Library Tool button and then choose the Filter button. Select the None button and then under Tool Types, choose the flat end mill icon as shown. Under Tool Diameter, pick Equal and input a value of 0.125. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the Tool List filter. In the Tool Selection dialog box, you should now only see a 1/8 flat end mill. Choose the 1/8 flat end mill and then select the OK button. Your tool will appear as shown. Input the following comment. Once the comment has been entered, choose the Cut Parameters page. Ensure that the pocket type is set to standard. Also, ensure that the stock to leave on both the walls and floors is set to 0. You can now select the roughing parameters. Select the constant overlap spiral. Now make the following changes as shown. Constant overlap spiral creates one roughing pass, determines the remaining stock, and recalculates based on the new stock amount. This process repeats until the pocket is cleared. Once complete, select the entry motion. Ensure that Helix is enabled. From here, select the finishing parameters. Ensure that Finish is enabled. Also, ensure that Machine Finish Passes after roughing all pockets is enabled. Select the lead-in lead-out parameters. Make the following changes as shown. Once complete, select the depth cuts. Enable this option and input a max rough step value of 0.05. Finally, select the linking parameters page. Ensure that the depth is set to an absolute value of -0.125. The rest of your parameters should appear as shown. Once complete, select the OK button to generate the toolpath. We will now backplot and verify the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Select the backplot icon. Ensure that Tool and Workpiece are enabled. Also, select Isometric View. Now press the Play Simulation button. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit Backplot. Again, we will verify the part. Select all of the operations as shown. Choose the Verify button. Ensure that Tool, Stock, and Workpiece are enabled. Also, select the isometric view. You can now press the Play Simulation button. If necessary, select the Fit icon. Your part will appear as shown up to this point. You can now exit Verify.